One of the largest drivers is the need of speed of the data. Being able to compute and process that in private cloud and then provide real-time data back on the production line, that's invaluable. Henkel is a very diverse company. They do a lot of consumer and commercial products. Most notably in the United States is Loctite, and then in European it's laundry, Purcell. We're also known globally for our beauty products. If you think about 400 plus locations globally across 36 countries, we have a lot of connectivity. The amount of data that is passed back and forth to understand what consumers are doing and how our supply lines are working, how our manufacturing lines are working, and then just our people themselves, how they're working. My team connect all of those pieces and all of those products together. We have production lines that make real-time decisions. It used to take months to be able to upgrade a network environment. And HPE has been a great partner. The HP networking and HP GreenLake, we're actually able to deploy and fix and patch our network now in 4 to 8 hours. There's parts that we can put in the public cloud, parts in the private cloud, parts that have to be on the edge. Our architecture encompasses all of those pieces. We can see our entire infrastructure in one location, but more importantly, we can automate it. HP Aruba networking has been the key for setting the stage. A warehouse has a tendency to move things. Sometimes an AP may get blocked as far as networking traffic, and then another one gets overloaded. I can quickly see that happening and shift load from one AP to another, all remotely, all within minutes. OpsRamp gives me that single pane of glass, but it also gives us an opportunity to integrate the business into the process. HP Aruba networking via Aruba Central already has some AI in it. So I ask the question and the system comes back and it gives me recommendations on what I can do better. Technology exists, but it's really about the partnership. We can have technology do those repetitive tasks and then allow my team to do the cool stuff, to be the creators of the next technology, especially around AI. We really believe that AI and predictive analysis with HPE GreenLake and HP Aruba networking, we will set a new stage for enterprise networks globally.